To add dynamic elements for personalization in Marketo, for example in an email, you use tokens. So let's go through an example of how to do that. You need to be in the Design Studio tab, find emails on the left, right click, create a new email. We'll call it Personalization, add your name, and then select the training template and click Create. Now to add bits of personalized text into your email, you need to use this token button over here. So you can drag and drop this, for example, into the subject. If you wanted to use a token such as name, first name, here, lead.firstname. The default value is what's displayed if there is no first name on that lead. So we can say friend, hit insert. So we can say something like, hi, first name, how are you? Which is definitely not a best practice subject line, it's just for demonstration. Now if we wanted to do the same for the content of the email, for example the title, we'd simply come in here, put hi, click on this token button here, select the field we want, put a default value, and click insert. So as you can see, it's been inserted here. Now we can modify this, it's just text, so you can come in here and if you want to change the default to say friend, you can do it and click save. And that's how easy it is to insert fields into an email. Now if you want to test this, you can send yourself a sample. The trick is, if you want to see what goes in which fields, what you need to do is select a lead. So for example, I'm going to select a random lead in here, and then I'll send this email to myself. So what that will do is it will send me the test sample email, but it will fill out the personalized fields with the data from the lead. So this is a very handy little test to see if your personalization is working.